black ashen place of citadel bells. The throne stood scorched, the empire gone, but still the clock kept ticking on. Time did not mourn, time did not weep. It turned its gears while ghosts did sleep. The rain it whispered through the stone, as if to say, you're not alone. Rain upon the throne of flame, ashes falling like forgotten names. Time may bleed, but it won't forget the ones who stood when the stars had set. We are echoes carved in bone. We are the storm upon the throne. Through ruined halls where shadows creep, and swords of silence pierce the deep. The raindrops hiss on metal cold, where kings once spoke and fate was told. Their statues crack, their banners rot, but still we walk, though they do not. We wear the time they left behind in every wound, a fire line. Rain upon the throne of flame, ashes falling like forgotten names. Time may bleed, but it won't forget the ones who stood when the stars had set. We are echoes carved in bone. We are the storm upon the throne. We do not beg for time to pause. We forge our fate beneath its claws. Let the rain fall, let the ash rise. We are the answer the silence denies. And when the moons are dead and dry, and suns no longer light the sky, we'll stand with thrones once burned